Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Crunchyroll. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will answer to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Crunchyroll app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.